Hi everyone, we are Group 5 from Computer Aided Design Section 4. Our title today is Computer Fan. And now let me introduce our group member. I am Tu Min Hui and my group member is Siti Balkis, Sharifa Aino and also Tawanisha.
Effective cooling is essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of the computer's CPU. The CPU fans play a key role in this process by dissipating the heat generated during operation. This project aims to create a detailed AutoCAD drawing of a CPU fan, showcasing its main component and structure. The drawing will include both top and side view of the CPU fans, illustrating components such as the blades, motor hub, heatsink, head pipes, and mounting mechanism. By accurately representing these elements, the project will provide a clear understanding of how CPU fans contribute to thermal management in computer. This AutoCAD drawing will be useful for engineers, designers, and students interested in computer cooling technologies, offering both a technical reference and an educational tool. The goal is to produce a comprehensive and precious illustration that can aid in further design and engineering projects. For product background, evolution of CPU cooling. Early computing. In the early day of computing, CPU did not generate much heat, so passive cooling solutions like simple heatsinks without fans were sufficient. As CPU speeds increased, the need for active cooling solution, which is heatsink with fans, became apparent to handle the greater heat output. For modern CPU with their high clock speed and multiple cores generate substantial amount of heat, making efficient cooling essential. Thermal throttling, where the CPU reduces its speeds to avoid overheating, can occur without adequate cooling, affecting performance. Technology innovation, head pipe technology. Enhanced heat transfer from the CPU to the heatsink. Direct contact head pipes improve efficiency by making direct contact with the CPU surface. The second one is pulse width modulation, which is PWM. Allow precious control of fan speed based on CPU temperature, optimizing cooling performance and noise levels. The last one is RGB lighting. Adds aesthetic value to cooling solution, allowing users to customize the look of their cooling system.
Hi, I'm Min Hui. There are 5 objectives in our project. The first one is that create a 3D model and prototype of a computer fan with multiple components that can be assembled. Next, ensure the design meets industry standards for computer cooling system in terms of efficiency and effectiveness. The third one is that ensure the prototype is fully functional, demonstrating the cooling capabilities and operational stability in real-world conditions. Next, to draw a component of a computer fan in AutoCAD 2024, all drawings must be drawn in AutoCAD. And in the case version 2024, since its universality and ace. The last one is that to use AutoCAD to assess and evaluate a student's abilities. Next, the scope of this project focuses on the comprehensive design, development, and validations of a computer fan, utilizing AutoCAD 2024 for detailed modeling. This fan is intended to provide efficient cooling for electronic devices, balancing optimal airflow, noise reduction, and energy consumption. The project begins with a thorough analysis of requirements, which includes understanding industry standards and user needs to establish the physical and operational specifications for the fan. In the detailed design phase, the chosen concept will be developed into a precise 3D model using AutoCAD 2024.
Hi, my name is Navanisha. I'm here to explain about methodology. For methodology, we're having drawing software, project planning and preliminary research, conceptual design and initial sketching, detailed design in AutoCAD, dimensioning, annotation and detailing, advanced 3D modeling, review, verification, and iteration. First of all, for designing software, we use AutoCAD 2024 Powerful Design Software, latest version flagship CAD software by Autodesk. The capabilities is 2D drafting, a precise tool for technical drawing, lines, shapes, and extra. 3D modeling create complex geometries and surface, parts and structures and etc. Benefits of AutoCAD 2024 is precise and clear design, foundation for complex projects. For 3D visualization, explore and optimize design for function and aesthetics. Integrate workflow, seamless transition between 2D and 3D. Applications, engineering, architecture, design, mechanical parts, building and electronic and etc. Next is project planning, setting the stage for success. Key steps: planning and research. Define project objective and scope. Research CPU cooling fan designs, dimensions, specifications, cooling requirements. Software setup. Set up AutoCAD 2024 environment. Ensure necessary tools, libraries, and extensions are installed for the design process. Benefits of project planning. Clear project goals, well defined objective ensure focused design efforts, informed design decisions. Research provides a foundation for effective cooling solutions. Optimize software environment, proper setup facilitators efficient design workflow. Conceptual design and initial sketching. Visual explore design possibilities, identify potential challenge and solution early on, refine the design concept before detailed work begins, promotes creativity and innovation. Dimensioning. For dimensioning, add precise measurements to the drawing. Ensure parts adhere to specified tolerance and dimensions. Annotations is label each part in the drawing. Provides detailed notes and instructions. Clarify assembly and manufacturing processes. Importance. Creates clear and interpretable drawing. Essential for manufacturers and engineering during production. 3D modeling for advanced design when needed. Projects requiring a more in depth analysis can benefit from a 3D model. Process: utilize 2D drawing as a base, extrude 2D shapes to create 3D forms, and detail like filled, chamfers, and holes for realism and functionality. Benefits: provides a more comprehensive visualize of the design, enable better analysis and identification of potential improvements. Review and iteration ensuring design accuracy. After design completion, following the creation of detailed drawing and optionable 3D models. Process: a thorough review is conducted. Design is verified for accuracy and functionality, cross-checking against the initial sketches, component specification, project objective. And then benefits: catches error before production, ensure the final design meets project needs, may lead to iteration improvement based on the review.
For the design process of this project, first of all, we have to make the decisions, which is decide a product related to communication and computer. Make sure that the product is user-friendly and survey the availability and sustainability of the product. And next step, decomposing. Product was decomposed into few major parts. Each part was distributed accordingly, and keep tracking the progression. Next step is that preliminary and design. Initial sketching and dimensioning must be done, and draw the sketches in AutoCAD. 2D and 3D drawing was implemented, and record each step of the drawing. Step number 4 is that assembly all the drawing into one 3D model and export drawing, convert the WG file into PDF file format. Cross-check the dimension and alignment of the product. And last step is that prepare a full report about the product and merge the recorded video and prepare presentation slide. For the design process of the product, which is a computer fan, first of all we have to draw the shaft cover. Next we draw the blades, and lastly we draw the fan flame of the computer fan. Then we assemble all the parts of the drawing into one 3D modeling. Make sure that the dimension in correct format and make sure the value is correct. This is our final product of our project, and we can also see different viewpoint of the drawing.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Balkis binti Sukafti. My matrix number is AN220106. So now I will explain about the product design advantages and practicality of CPU cooling fan. CPU fans are specifically designed to cool down the processor by drawing cooler air into the case from the outside, expelling warm air from inside and moving air across the heatsink to cool a particular component. These are several design advantages and practicality of CPU cooling fan. The first one is enhanced performance. Overheating can cause the system to reduce clock speed to go down, which can lead to lower performance. By keeping temperature in control, fans enable CPU, GPU, and other components to run at their full speed consistently, providing smooth and efficient performance. Next, it is overclocking support. Overclocking involves running computer components at higher speed, which generate additional heat. For users who overclock their systems to get extra performance, effective cooling is essential because fans provide the necessary thermal management to safely increase clock speed. So for the next one is temperature regulation. Computer components such as CPU and power supply generate significant amount of heat during operation, and fans play a vital role in dissipating heat by allowing the air to circulate in the computer case. Fans help maintain an optimal temperature for the components, which preventing overheating, which leading to thermal throttling, reducing performance, and causing hardware damage. Moreover, it is energy efficient. Overheating can cause components to draw more power as they attempt to manage higher temperature. Efficient fans can assist lower total energy usage by ensuring that components run within their ideal temperature range and avoiding the excessive power demand that comes with overheating. Lastly, CPU fans can extend the lifespan of components. Excessive heat can accelerate the degradation of materials and solder joints, which lead to failure. Cooler operating temperatures can significantly extend the lifespan of computer components by reducing the risk of heat-related damage to the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and other components because the CPU is mounted on the motherboard. In conclusion, a CPU fan is a vital component that plays a crucial role in overall health and performance of a computer system. For the processor to run smoothly and last a long time, choosing the right cooling fan is essential. By forcing air over hot components to dissipate heat and maintain the system within a safe working range, computer fans aid in the temperature regulation. Reducing the processor's operating temperature with efficient cooling lessens the effects of thermal throttling, which over time can deteriorate performance and even limit component life. In essence, computer fans are essential for maintaining health and performance of a computer system by effectively managing heat. Selecting the right CPU cooling fan can greatly improve